In this video, I'm going to show you how to work out the change using adding on. John buys a cake for $11.85. He gives the clerk a $20 bill. How much change is he going to get back? Simple. First of all, we're going to write our starting off point, which is $11.85. And we're going to make it easy. We're going to get rid of the point and just make it 1,185 or 1,185 pennies, doesn't matter. On the other side of the page, I'm going to write $20, okay? This is our target. So $20. So $11.85. How much do we have to add on to make it $20 or 2,000 pennies? We're using adding on. We're using the adding on method, which is quite simple. I'm going to draw a path now between the $11.85 and the $20, okay? In the path, I'm going to write what I am adding on, all right? What I am adding on. And outside the path, I'm going to write the amount so far. So first of all, let's add 100. You can add anything you want, okay? So right now we're going to add 100. So if I add 100 to 1185, I'm going to get, well, 1285. I'm thinking, how much will I add on now? Well, I'm going to make it a bigger number to make things work, to make it quicker. So I'm going to add 300 this time. So I'll add 300. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to add that 300 now onto the 1285. That's going to get me 1,585. I'll write that above there. So in red is the amount so far, and in blue it's what we're adding on each time. Okay. Next, I'm going to add another 300. Okay. So I'll take that up here. I'm going to add it to the 1585. I just want to show you my working out, just so that it doesn't look as if I'm jumping from here to there. Okay, so that's that up. That's 5881. So what I've got so far, I've added up to 1885. Okay, so what am I going to add on to 1885? I'm getting close to $20 now. So if I add too much, I'm going to go over, and I don't really want that to happen. So this time I'm going to add another 100. Okay, so add 100 to 1885, and that gets me 1985. 1985. That's a good year. 1985. Now, what do I have to add on to 1985 to 2000? Well, I'm very, very close, so I'm only going to add small amounts. You know, you've got dimes, you've got nickels, you've got fives, you've got tens. So I'm only going to add a 5 on this time. Making it simple, don't forget. And by adding the 5 to 1985, I'm going to get 1990. That was a good year. 1990. Now, what do I have to add on to 1990 to get me 2000? Simple, 10. And that will get me $20 or 2000. Okay? So all those amounts in light blue, I'm going to add up. Okay? I'm going to circle them in yellow. 100, 300, 300, 100, 5, and 10, I'm going to add all of these up, and that will give me the change. So I'm going to add, first of all, 100 plus 300. And we're going to add them 2 at a time. That's 400. Let's check mark the ones I've completed. Add another 300. It's going to get me 700. Okay, I'm going to add the 100. It's going to get me 800. I'm going to add 5 and a 10, and that's going to get me 805 and 815. So therefore, my change is 815 pennies. But let's make that into dollars, okay? Making it into dollars, it's 2 decimal places. Okay, and 2 decimal places, we count from the right, 1, 2, and then we put the point right there. That's 2 decimal places. And that's going to give me the amount of $8.15. So that's the change we get back, $8.15. Okay, so you can choose now, do you like it the mathematical way by subtracting, or do you like it this way? And the more you practice, the quicker you will get at it. And if you still don't understand, watch it again or watch one of my other videos. Thank you.